Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Google account to your AndroMoney application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AndroMoney expense tracking application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into your home page right away. Now from this page, if you check within the menu at the top left corner, you will not find any option to log in. So in order to link your Google account, you will simply need to tap on the Sync Database option at the top right corner. Once you tap on this, you will be asked to choose the Google account that you wish to sync your data to. After choosing your account, you can choose whether you would like to sync images as well or not. After choosing the appropriate option, you will need to continue with your Google account to provide access for the AndroMoney application. After you provide your access, your data will now be in sync with your Google account. And even if you uninstall your application or clear the data, you can log back in using your Google account and all of your data will be backed up and restored. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Google account and sync your data on the AndroMoney application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.